Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram can't follow. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings and here you can scroll down to the apps. Now go to the search and search on Instagram. Okay, now as you see you can go to the storage and just clear cache, click on it and go check it if it works. If it didn't work, you can maybe try to restart the phone, or if it didn't work again, you can maybe try to clear data. Uh, but be careful, you will lose all your data. So be careful when you wanna clear data. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.